Press the red. Okay. Hello YouTube, my name is the Game Potato, and today is potato harvesting day. I have my big mass of potatoes here, and yeah. So right now, behind the camera is Master Pat, and so I would like to thank him for holding the camera for me today, while I put my hands in the soil and find all the potatoes. So, yeah. So. Let's dig. So I remember starting these potatoes. Oh, there's one. I remember starting these potatoes back in March. Well, first, let me pull up the potato. Oh, this is gonna be hard. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! Can you see those? Look at that!
Wow.
Whoa! Whoa, my goodness!
That's fries for
That's
days.
big! Whoa, and we didn't even harvest it. Look how big this was. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? Now for the fun part. Because that's only those potatoes. There's probably more. Oh, I stand corrected.
How many are there?
Oh,
1,
there's
2,
more
3,
down
4,
here.
5, 6.
Oh, pretty good sized
6,
potato.
7 potatoes so far.
Oh, there might be one right here. Oh, here's another one.
8.
There's probably more of them here. I think that's it. Okay, now that we harvested these
8.
potatoes,
That's 8.
yeah, that's from one plant. We have all these plants. So I think that's all we're going to harvest of those potatoes. But now it's time to harvest the red potatoes. So come over here. These potatoes are a different kind of potato, so hopefully we'll still get good yields. Oh, there we go. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Check this out. 1,
1. Nope.
2. Oh, ew! Look, so how potatoes grow is you plant a potato and then it sprouts. Look, that's the old potato.
Ew.
Ew.
Don't pick that one,
Do you want it?
No.
Do you want it? Here you
Put
go.
it in the trash. 3 and 4.
There's more. I can feel them. There's that plant, so. There's little ones too.
Tiny baby ones.
Gotta get all the potatoes.
There you go.
Well, there's more over here. One right there.
5, 6.
There's probably not that many more. I planted them really close together, so
That looks like it.
I don't know. But I planted them really deep too. So there might be more potatoes down below. So I'm gonna scooch all that soil over there. That doesn't have any potatoes in it. Nope.
No.
Don't think so. Oh, look, there's roots. Bury the roots. Bury the roots. Nope. I think that's it.
Yeah.
So that was 26. Well, that's not completely 2016 harvest, but that's,
We have more of each potato plant.
yeah, we
got 6 red potatoes. How? 8? Yeah.
yeah, so
Red potatoes.
this is just
part 1.
part 1 of all the potatoes.